without taking a break or taking my helmet off. We'll get right back into it with our mistake fresh on our mind. So we're looking to go left everywhere we can. Where's this first left? Just keep going, bud, no worries. All right. So is this in any way easier or just different but the same? That's a Duffy one. Oh, yucky, yucky brake bumps. So, I think, oh, here we go. Okay. I think the Blitzen was a little more pleasant. This one has a lot of awkwardness to it.
Came up here, got here immune, we did comment, and that was the only thing we did. Yeah?
So here's what I'm wondering. So we were right here, and we need to be looking left. But here's the thing. Where's is this converged right now? They're the same. We're gonna hit another turning spot. I guess this time we're gonna go left, so we won't make that mistake, I guess. Oh, you see that? Especially with that little one-way right thing right by Blitzen. It's like, this is why graphic design is relevant, baby. Even in 2024, it'll always be relevant. So now we're on the Donner. And apparently we never rode Blitzen. I don't know how much we missed. Look at this little treat. Yoo! Hey, that was pretty poppy for a big old e-bike. But these lightweight ones are at least better than those old ones from 10 years ago. Ooh, Duffy inside line. Tight little turns. Oh, liking this. I'd still say I prefer that initial Blitzen part of the ride, but they're similar and they're both valid. My vote goes for Blitzen.